Understand the ways to lose your fat before you regret. Friends, there are many diets has been come in the market like paleo diet, keto diet, intermittent fasting diet, but none of the diets tells you about the truth. And still, even after those many diets, still the rate of obesity is running high. There is another pandemic situation which is going on in which 7 out of 10 people from the working class are obese or overweight. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, there are many diets. I still remember those days that when I used to do keto diet, intermittent diet, and I used to leave the food which I really love to have. I used to be a person who wanted to lose the fat or lose the muscles or lose the body weight by any cost, by anyhow. But the consequences and the result of my that decision was really bad. After that, I take some challenges. I adapt myself towards some changes which are quite positive and which can be quite surprising for you. So today I'm going to tell you that how not to lose fat in a three way. The number one way is that if you wish not to lose your fat, then you need to adapt a yo-yo diet or a super food diet. Let's talk about English breakfast which does not suit our nature, our region and our taste. But still if we want to lose our weight, so that's why we are trying to adapt ourselves to that superfood which is in taste doesn't seems or doesn't taste good. So that's why I always request to all of my clients and all the people who are listening to this, adapt a natural way of eating. If you belongs to Bengal, just stick on march on fish and rice. If you belongs to Punjab, then you can have your parathas along with vegetables. If you belongs to South, then you can have your vegetables in the coconut oil. You can have the taste food along with your health. There is a one thing which makes us obese, which makes us overweight, is not consistently having a good eat or good foods in our diet. So if you have whatever in whatever region you are living, but if you are having a good or natural foods in your plate, then you will get the benefits of health. Now, in second point, then how you cannot lose your weight if you're going to do so much cardio. Cardio is good, but if you are consistently depend on the cardio, then the day is not far when your body is going to stop and going to adapt a safe mode in which your body going to slow your metabolism and slow the fat absorbing rate of your body. So that's why we can see on those people who are trying so hard in the gym but still they are not able to achieve the goals through which they are looking forward for. So that's why don't do cardio. Lift some weights. And the weight doesn't mean the only weightlifting, and while doing weightlifting, it doesn't mean that you will become an Arnold Schwarzenegger or a muscle man. No, we all need some muscles. If we going to whenever we lift a teacup or we will trying to reopen or we trying to open open the cap of a bottle, then on that time the energy of muscle requires. So if you don't have the muscles, it means it is a major issue. And your body itself has a weight. So that's why try to adapt yourself for doing 15 minutes of workout, rigorously workout, HIIT sessions workout 3 days in a week, along with twice a walk, one in the evening and one in the morning as your daily schedule. So in that way, you can have the benefit of health. If you are keen to, if you have been doing cardio for a long time but not getting any benefits, try this and don't do cardio and don't adapt a cardio and don't become a cardio person in your life if you want to lose your fat. Now the third thing, In third way, if you wish not to lose your fat, then you have to keep on saying to yourself that it will be hard for you. Friends, try to understand this thing. When in our childhood we try to ride a bicycle, or for the first time when we tried to drove a car, were we perfect? Were we doing right? No, there must be some negative experience you had on that time. So once you started your health journey, it doesn't mean that you're going to get the result for the first time. There are many places, there are many some downfalls, there are some many up jumps in the journey, but definitely once you understand the skill of losing fat and gaining health in your life, then nobody can stop you. Even your family will also get benefited from you. So that's why you have to keep on saying to yourself that you can do it, and it is not a hard. It is hard for those person who does not know about the skill, but every skill can be learned. So that's why don't have the negative mindset for your health. Friends, these are some of the three things. If we're going to adapt these three things in our life, then definitely we can have a better health physique, better health, better immunity, and better happiness in our life. Friends, if you wish to start your health journey, then I have created an ebook for you. Link I'm giving you in the description, so that you can start your health journey and you can learn about the diets and you can learn about the beginners workout which you can adapt easily in your life. If you want my personal coaching, then feel free to contact me for your diet and workouts and to have the health in your life. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. Until we meet again, I just wish for all of you to know your fitness.